Ma'am, your voice, we are raising your voice, ma'am. What do you want to say? What is the demand that you have right now? What do you want? What do you seek from the system if you want to highlight?
I just want justice. No more parents should lose their children like this. No mother should cry again like me. Never, never ever it should happen. मुझे जस्टिस चाहिए. मेरा बच्चा तो नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन आने वाले टाइम में ये मिसाल बननी चाहिए कि कोई और पेरेंट अपने पैसों के दम पे, अपने पैसों की गर्मी के दम पे और लग्जरी के नाम पे अपने बच्चों को रोड पे राक्षस बना के ना जाने दे दूसरों के बच्चों को उड़ाने के लिए. वो कैब ड्राइवर, यू लुक एट दैट कैब ड्राइवर. मेरे बच्चे को उड़ाने के बाद मुझे पता चला है कि वो 50 फीट ऊपर उड़ के नीचे गिरा है मेरा बच्चा. अगर वो इतनी ऊपर से नीचे गिरा है, स्पोर्ट्स बाइक थी, इसकी गाड़ी तब भी नहीं रुकी.
बाइक का हालत भी हमने
when you see the footage you will come to know कि इन्होंने हिट करने के बाद भी जो ये रील बना रहे हैं उसमें इनकी खुद की रील में जो है वो इनकी स्पीड दिखाई दे रही है. I'm not able to find it. Just give me a few minutes.
Sure, ma'am. We will take the reel from you. We will get that reel also to our viewers that she's talking about. This is a reel that she's saying that was being recorded by them. It was uploaded later.
She has posted. Yes, she herself has posted.
Sure.
I want to show this from the start. This is the reel जो ये अक्षत्र सिंह की बहन उसके साथ बैठ के बना रही है और इन्होंने खुद से पोस्ट करी है और मेरा बच्चा इसमें हिट होते हुए आया है. उसने वहां से ट्रिम कर दी है वो रील वहां से ट्रिम कर दी है. ये बस आई है जो ये देखिए. यस.
So the last bike that we see in the reel, we will get a clearer video of this for our viewers. There's a last bike.
ये बस के पैरेलल है गाड़ी, आप देख रहे हैं. ये बिल्कुल सेंटर में है. इसकी लेन ड्राइविंग देखिए आप. ये बिल्कुल सेंटर में है बस के. अगर ये अपनी लेन में होता तो मेरे बेटे को दिख जाता. इन्होंने बिल्कुल सामने से मेरे बच्चे को उड़ाया है.
We will get this clearer video where we can clearly see in this video that she's got. This is a video of this car, this is the same car which is the accused car that hit her
इस
son.
लड़की ने खुद पोस्ट की है ये.
This reel was posted by her.
इसने अपने सेल्फ डिफेंस में हमें गलत प्रूफ करने के लिए इसने खुद पोस्ट की है ये. इसने खुद पोस्ट किया इंस्टाग्राम पे.
This is a single lane for our viewers. Sahil was coming from the opposite direction. This is not a divider road. Not that Sahil was coming from an opposite or a wrong direction. So it was a misleading tactics that was used. That's what she's claiming. We will get a clearer video of this for our viewers where we can clearly see that the lane driving of the car was not right. And subsequently, you can see that what
इन्होंने ट्रिम की है ये वीडियो. इनके पास है ये वीडियो. ये इन्होंने ट्रिम की है.
So this is another proof of what happened on that day. But right now, this is a mother who's grieving, who's seeking justice. And we are getting her voice because, it's not just about Sahil. It's about so many of them out there because the hit and run cases have been piling upon. The law is diluted. We've seen in earlier cases as well, accused getting station bail. But the ordeal that the victims' families have to go through, this is live in front of you. This is a mother who's pleading justice.
I beg justice from system. This time this guy should not be spared and his family, his father. वो ट्रांसपोर्टर होगा अपने घर का. पैसे होंगे अपने घर में रख अपने पैसे की गर्मी पे लोगों के बच्चे तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है.
Okay, so that was the mother of Sahil. She's pleading for justice. She's pleading that the system responds once and for all, because what we saw was a death by negligence, but no less death by a car that had multiple challans of overspeeding, a system that ignored, and that's also something that the system needs to correct. Over to you, Sneha.
Multiple challans, Shreya, for overspeeding, but we only wish the authorities had taken more serious note of this repeat habitual offender who's ended up killing. He's got blood on his hands at the end of the day.